Hi everyone, I'm Bita Delisi, and in this video we're going to talk about, does a tenant have to obtain the landlord's consent in order to bring in other people into the rental unit? This is a very common question that we get asked from realtors and landlords, either prior to them signing a lease agreement or after they've already signed a lease agreement. And oftentimes they sign a term in the lease stating or agreeing that the tenant is the only party that can reside in the rental unit. Well, to answer this question, it's a hard no. Tenants are allowed to have other guests, visitors. They can have other guests or visitors staying overnight. They can have roommates, in which case they're renting an additional room to. They can have other occupants, such as elderly parents or children or a significant other reside in the rental unit, all without the permission of the landlord. The only time the permission of the landlord is required is if the tenant asks the landlord to add a party as a tenant on the lease agreement, in which case the landlord has the right to request documentation in order to properly vet them. And this documentation can be proof of income, credit report, pay stubs, so forth and so on. That's the only time a landlord has a say. Now, if the landlord decides, yes, we're going to add this person to the lease agreement, then they can do so. But if they do not, then they don't. Now, obviously, you can't have 12 or 14 people occupy a 1 or 2 bedroom apartment. The occupancy limits are stated in the city bylaws, and each district has their own occupancy limit. For landlords to confirm how many people can, in fact, occupy a rental unit, they need to check out their city bylaws. We hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, call us first.